Exposure to morning sunlight helps regulate the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Morning sunlight increases serotonin levels, which can improve mood and energy. Aim for at least 10 minutes of sunlight exposure each morning to experience these benefits. The benefits of morning sunlight include improved mood. The benefits of morning sunlight include increased energy. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Even a short walk can trigger the release of endorphins. Consistent exercise can reduce feelings of sadness. Exercise contributes to improved mental health by increasing overall energy levels. The mood-boosting effects of exercise are linked to the release of endorphins. Consistent physical activity promotes a positive feedback loop for mental well-being. A balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vegetables, and whole grains supports brain health. Nutrients from these foods help regulate neurotransmitters, positively impacting mood and mental well-being. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce depressive symptoms. These dietary components improve overall cognitive function, contributing to enhanced mental well-being.